Hey, welcome to the channel. If you are new, make sure to hit the subscribe button. If you already know me, make sure to like. So today I do a video about how actually can rare product make you way more money than normally could, because rarity and scarcity making top dollars or top pounds or wherever you may be. So make sure to follow the video till the end. I explain almost everything, and also make sure to click the previous video which I talk about supply and demand and how this thing works. And yeah, enjoy the video. And so here I will give you a good example how rarity of the product uh, it's uh, it's making the customer actually wanted to pay it more. I don't know if I'm explaining properly, but I will show you an example and hopefully you understand what is it. So as you can see, this is the product, this knife here, and let's check on Amazon. I will show you now. Where is it? Scan it. Okay, look at here, it's 129, and when you hit the competition, if you go what is it, I don't know why it doesn't show me eligible. Yes, oh yeah, anyway, I have it already listed. So here inventory, because and here it's on competition. As you can see, is nobody selling it, and here it's 83.98, and on Amazon it's selling for 129.99. Also, these things I like to call them the tail sale, if I can say so, because will be the last sales. So when everybody run out of stock, you can sell it more expensively than your competition, because the product is nowhere to be found and it's only you that having it, and if people want it, they have to pay wherever your price is. So in this case, since I'm the only one selling it, because before was actually Amazon in the game, they sold out, and actually be only me, so I can sell it pretty much for as much as I want in theory, but not like over exaggerate, because if you mark up the price like £1,000, nobody will buy it. Doesn't matter if you are the only one, but you still will be able to make more the sell more expensive than actually was selling previously. So this is the stuff that I was talking about. If you didn't see the video, I will link it in the description below, so you can understand a little bit better. So go to watch that video. Okay, so I will show you some more product that I'm going to search today here on Costco. It's a little bit, it's busy, it's a lot of people because it's Sunday, so yeah. So also another trick that I like to use, to see the historical price. Do you see here is the ASIN of the product? Basically you just find the product and you go down here to the bottom, almost to the bottom. Where is it? It's here. You see ASIN, where it says ASIN. I just copied no, come on, I copied this and I plug in into a tool called keepa.com, which is this one. You just plug here the ASIN, you paste and then hit search, and this is your product. As you can see, this will track the historical price of the product. So as you can see here, They was selling like for 160, is dropping, and again 160, and lately here it's like 120, and lately it's like below 100. So historically means that it's okay, was selling for 120. So yeah, and the orange light mean it mean Amazon it's selling this product. So yeah, it's a product that sells, and yeah, 4.4 star review, it's a good product. So this is one trick that you want to know the historical price. You can do this with your products. So this is another product that I find viable, which is possible to make profit on it. So let's see. Going to scan it here. Okay. As you can see, it's 75.89. The sales rank is good, 16,000, and here it's selling for 48. So, and yeah, this is the product. As you can see, it's nobody prime. So basically I can undercut this seller easily if I ship this stuff to Amazon. And yeah, so this is the price, and if I hit here and I see if I sell it for 88.51, those are the fees, shipping, everything, cost of the product, I'll make a grand total of 21 pounds in profit. And again, I use Keepa. I already plug in the details. So as you can see here, it's selling like, this is the time we are now, it's selling for 75.80. So do you see the price is going up and up slowly. So it's okay. Yeah, I will buy some of this, and I will ship it to Amazon warehouses, so I can undercut the sellers, so I'll get the most of the sales. I was saying, I will show you another winning product that's selling a lot, that is hot right now, which is this one. This, I don't know, you can see these bags. These the wall bags. They selling like crazy now, and I'm going to buy a lot of this to ship it to Amazon. And I have other videos back in the channel if you want to see it, how much I make off of this. I explain the process and everything. If you want to go back to see it, you have to check it back on the channel. Yeah, this is the product. And also I find out that the bags, the backpack that I find in the other warehouses, it's nowhere to find in this one. So that's telling you that some products, they are in some places and not in the other one. So this, it's even better chance to make sales even to the Costco customer, because people that are local here is not gonna go around all the city to find out what products are available in other warehouses. So if they don't find it here, they'll buy it on Amazon. So again, advantage. Okay, now I'll buy a bunch of this and see what's happened. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I have to ship all this stuff right here that you're seeing to the Amazon warehouse. Apart from this package here, it's a customer order, so I have to ship it to the customer. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to pack all the stuff and ship it to the warehouse, making the shipping order, the shipping plan. And yeah, it's pretty much what I have to do today. So now what I did here, I attached these cues to this product, because as you can see, this label, it's very lost. So if this got ripped, during the shipping process, the people in the warehouse, they won't be able to scan it, so they're not gonna know which product is it. So if I attach those on the back here, they'll stay forever, like forever quoting say. But yeah, this I kind of reduce the chance that my inventory get lost or doesn't know which seller is. So because if you get lost or the people in the warehouse will get confused, will be a nightmare, and they're not gonna be able to put for sale. So it's better to do this, waste 5-10 minutes to stick those label on it, and you'll have less headache. Okay, the only thing left to do now is call UPS to let them know to come to collect those parcels. And yeah, usually they come the next day after they yeah, if I let them know today, like they will come tomorrow morning to collect them. So probably by the end of the week, like Thursday or Friday, will be in the those will be in the Amazon warehouses and will become prime, and we'll start making sale of all this. Probably in these two I have, like, I don't know, 300 pounds profit. So yeah, not too bad for like half a day going around yesterday looking for items and ship it today. So yeah, I think I will end up the video here.